So this video is being created to show us how to answer the question about Ava and Sven, who play a lot of games of tennis, and we're trying to find the probability that given they play n games, Ava wins 2 of them. So in L1, I've populated all the possible values of n, so that's going to be 2, because if she wins 2 games, there must have been 2, all the way up to, and I think I went all the way up to 30, so there's a lot of different games there. And we were asked, when is her probability equal to, it was this number to 3 significant digits, so it was 0.121. So we're wondering, when is the probability of winning 2 games, if 2 games are played, equal to that? Well, probably not. So we want this column to hold all those probabilities. That is, that this cell will hold the probability that she wins 2 of 2 games. This cell will hold the probability she wins 2 of 3 games. This one will hold the probability she wins 2 of 4, and so on. So I highlight the column because I'm going to be entering in a formula, and I hit enter. And I'm going to enter in exactly the binomial distribution formula. And so that's under math, we'll go to probability, and we're going to choose n choose r, because that's the first term in the binomial formula. Now my n values I'm going to pick from L1. So I'll choose second function L1, and my r value, my number of games won, is 2. Now I enter the probability of success. It was given at 0.4, and if she has 2 successes, then that must be raised to a power of 2. And then I'll enter the probability of failure. That was given at 0.6. And if I play L1 games, and win 2 of them, I'll have L1 minus 2 failures. So I'll go second function L1 minus 2 for failures. So that's L1 choose 2, 0.4 to the power 2, 0.6 to the power L1 2, and hit enter, and it populates the list. Now scrolling down the list, we can see that her probability increases. So of winning 2 games out of 5 games, her probability is pretty good. In fact, I'd say if I want to win a lot of games, or win at least 2 games, I would play 5. But looking for that number, that 0.121, it appears we get very close at 10 games. And if we round using 3 significant figures, the probability of her winning 2 games out of 10 is 0.121, which is exactly what we were looking for. So it's 10 is the value for n that we'll be looking for.